Welcome back to What's Cookin' Mustangs. Today, we're going to show you how we make fresh summer rolls using leftovers to reduce food waste. This easy-to-make recipe is a great eco-friendly meal that will give you the energy and nutrients you need to get you through a long day. There are so many ways to create your own signature summer roll, so feel free to get creative with it. Some of the fillings we'll be using today are carrots, cucumber, and steak. These ingredients make a high fiber and protein combo, which is optimal for digestion and feelings of fullness and satiety. For a plant-based option, tofu and tempeh are nutrient-dense protein sources that would make a delicious substitution for the roll. April 27th is Stop Food Waste Day, a day created to educate and ignite change in the fight against wasted food. On April 27th, Cal Poly Campus Dining will be one of 300 college campuses simultaneously celebrating Grate-Ful, an event designed to show gratitude for the earth and promote food waste awareness. In honor of Stop Food Waste Day, we encourage you to reuse leftover ingredients from other recipes such as chicken, steak, or shrimp in this dish to minimize your own personal food waste. With minimally processed ingredients and cooking involved, these summer rolls have a low carbon footprint, so you can eat this nutritious meal knowing you've done your part in protecting the earth.
Today we're going to show you guys how to make some summer rolls utilizing products that you have left over. For the cucumbers, you just want to cut these into 3 or 4 inch strips. Cut off the end here to make it a little more stable. So you want to cut them probably 1/8 of an inch thick. Do a couple pieces like that. And then we're going to cut these strips into little planks. So you're going to have little strips to go inside your spring rolls. Let's prep out some steak also. So this is just a nice piece of leftover steak. You can kind of see the grains running this direction. You want to always cut against the grain for tender slices. So they're going to cut these really thin strips. To assemble the spring rolls, you want to take your rice paper wrappers. You can find these pretty much anywhere. Most grocery stores are carrying them now. You want to soak them in some warm water just until they're pliable, probably about 15 seconds or so. All right, that should be good. All right, we want to start with some lettuce. Lettuce is pretty important in this. It's going to keep everything in your spring roll together. We're going to grab a little bit of carrots, some cucumbers we had cut up, a couple pieces like that. We got some rice noodles, we'll grab some of those. There's some mint in there, a couple basil leaves, a couple pieces of steak. To roll these, you just want to grab the edge of it, fold this over, give it a little tuck, pull it in a little tight, and then we're going to roll our ends up. They don't have to be perfect, and just keep rolling. And then we can cut it. So you want to give them a nice cut on an angle here. You're going to have nice presentation inside. And that's how we make our summer rolls.
We hope you make your own summer rolls to fuel up on nutrients and minimize your food waste. And remember, have fun with it. See you next month.